Sharks have fascinated and terrified us for centuries, but one species stands out from the rest with its bizarre, unmistakable head shape, the hammerhead shark. From their unique anatomy to their strange behaviors, hammerheads are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the hammerhead shark to reveal some truly amazing facts about these oceanic oddities. So, get ready to explore the life of this incredible predator. Let's start with the most obvious feature, the hammer-shaped head or cephalofoil, which gives these sharks their name. But have you ever wondered why their heads are shaped this way? It turns out the hammerhead's unique head structure gives it some impressive advantages. First off, the wide placement of their eyes allows hammerheads to have a nearly 360-degree field of vision. They can see both above and below at the same time, which makes them incredible hunters and gives them a strategic edge when it comes to spotting prey. The broad, flat shape of their head also helps hammerheads detect electrical signals produced by other animals. Using sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which are distributed across their head, they can sense the electrical fields generated by their prey even if it's hidden under the sand. This ability makes hammerheads extremely efficient at hunting stingrays and other bottom-dwelling creatures. When we say hammerhead shark, we're actually talking about a family of sharks that includes 9 different species. The most famous are the great hammerhead, the scalloped hammerhead, and the smooth hammerhead. But there are others, including the bonnethead shark, which is much smaller and has a more rounded head shape. Each species of hammerhead varies in size, behavior, and habitat, but they all share that iconic hammer-shaped head. The largest, the great hammerhead, can grow up to 20 feet long, while the smallest, the bonnethead, typically maxes out at around 5 feet. Despite these differences, all hammerheads are considered apex predators, meaning they have few natural enemies and sit near the top of the food chain. Many sharks are solitary hunters, but hammerhead sharks are a bit different. During the day, certain species, like the scalloped hammerhead, can be seen swimming in large groups or schools, sometimes with hundreds of individuals. These schools are particularly common near seamounts and underwater ridges, and it's one of the most amazing sights you can witness in the ocean. Scientists aren't entirely sure why hammerheads school together, but they believe it could be for protection, social interaction, or even a way to make hunting easier. Interestingly, at night, these schools break apart and the sharks go off on their own to hunt. Hammerhead sharks have some pretty unusual reproductive habits. First off, they give birth to live young, which is relatively rare in the fish world. The female can give birth to anywhere from 6 to 50 pups at a time, depending on the species. What's more incredible is that some hammerhead species practice something called parthenogenesis, or virgin birth, where a female can give birth without mating with a male. This phenomenon has been observed in captivity, and while it's extremely rare in the wild, it shows just how adaptable and resilient these sharks are. Once born, baby hammerheads, called pups, are left to fend for themselves. Fortunately, they're born fully developed and are able to start hunting immediately. However, their survival rate is quite low, with only a small percentage making it to adulthood due to predators and other dangers in the ocean. One of the hammerhead's favorite meals? Stingrays. Thanks to their wide heads and highly developed sensory organs, hammerheads are perfectly adapted to hunt these elusive creatures. They use their heads to pin stingrays down to the ocean floor, making it easier to take a bite. Hammerhead sharks are incredible travelers. Some species, like the scalloped hammerhead, are known to migrate long distances across the oceans. They often travel to specific breeding grounds or follow prey patterns, swimming hundreds or even thousands of miles in a single migration. What's even more impressive is that these sharks are able to navigate with precision, using the Earth's magnetic field like a natural GPS. This ability to cover vast distances is vital for their survival, especially as many hammerhead populations are declining due to overfishing and habitat loss. Here's a fun fact. Hammerhead sharks can tan. Yep, just like humans, when hammerheads spend too much time near the surface of the water, they can develop darker skin. Researchers have observed that hammerheads exposed to high levels of sunlight develop a tan, a natural adaptation that may help them blend in with their surroundings or protect them from the sun's harmful rays. Please like and subscribe for more detailed yet simple descriptions of animals. See you next time.